nunchucks. Wow. First of all, see, these are three sections. The three section staff. Here are the chains. Here are the curtain. And I will show you that the first spin, that is the nunchuck spin. Using it like a short weapon nunchucks. Smacking down somebody. Then the leg, reverse nunchuck spin. Again in the leg. Underarm. This one. Again. This one. Nunchuck spin. Leg. Reverse nunchuck spin. And finally close it. And we can also learn this by the how to close it correctly. There are two ways. One is the barely touch the ground, the last side, and another one is without touching the ground. Means that, for example, the nunchucks we use that two ways. Like this one and this one. Like this we have to use. First of all, we have to rotate this one and we'll stop this. Then it will automatically come into the hand. First I will show you the barely touch the ground. Hold this side. Barely touch the ground. This one. And again let's try it again. Barely touch the ground, okay? Sorry. This one is the correct one. And I will another trick is that without touching the ground. Like the nunchucks. Stop it. It will come into the hand. Let's try it again. Stop it. Sorry. Again into the hand. Another trick is the smacking down like this, like a paragliding. Front one, back one. If there is target behind you, and you have to rotate it like that, and the target is my front, then this is one block, blocking, smacking. And when you smack someone, your 3-section staff should be like the bow staff. Okay, 180 degree. Pull. Blocking, smacking. Again blocking, smacking. This side. Blocking, smacking. Blocking, smacking. And the other part is the passing. Passing, in this trick we have to like this one, Vidhan Badai Jankusho Dachi. This is a Dachi. This is a Dachi. We have to see that we can't see our toe. That is the perfect Vidhan Bada Jankusho Dachi. And after that, we have to hold this one. And if the weapon is coming from your upper side or lower side, hold this one like an X here and pass the weapon this side. Pass the weapon. This will be attacked. And the stomach part in the chest part. And this is a blocking. This is the upper block and lower block together. If the weapon is coming for this side also and this side also, then we have to block. And for attack, we have to open it. And only the attack will be successful. And the other one is the other block. And we have to do that. Which side we have to? We will be passing the weapon. This side or this side, depending upon the which stick is upper side. For example, this one right side. Suppose this one left side. Now, okay? Yes. Then after that, I will be telling you the helicopter spin. This is for the best for the beginners. And first of all, you have to hold it like this. And during the operating this weapon, this is not hitting your face or any arm. Then you have to do one trick. That is some behind the waist, back above the head. Behind, back above the head. Behind, back above the head. And then the other trick is use it like a hunter. You have to hold it like a hunter here, and you have to hold it like a hunter, like this. Be alert, otherwise this will come and hit in your waist only. You're going to hit very badly. Another one is that at the fishing spin. That fisherman use the fishing spin. You have to turn, barely touch the ground, close.